Hello and welcome to Geekatplay Studio tutorials. Let's look on some automations we can do inside the view. An example, what we're going to do right here, we can go to record macro and save macro. As example, so let's put right here, we have it the sphere, and I want to work a little bit with materials, maybe apply something. It's easy, so I'm going to record, and this is just macro, again following easy step by step. So we'll go right here, we'll edit, modify some settings. Okay, we'll go preloaded bump map for this. You can see how we can apply different ones, maybe pop up highlights. Okay, when we're done, we'll click OK and we'll stop recording. So this time it's asked what recording I want to do macro. So now we're going to set just a test macro for this. Let's save OK. The next time when I'm going to create, for example, a sphere. At this point, I can go play recording, test, open, and you'll notice it will going step per step all operations that I done to replicate in creating exactly the same effect. So sometimes it will help, very helpful if you do with actions like in Photoshop when you do different ones. You can do same way with applying to terrain. Currently I applied, for example, for sphere. So next things, if I create a different terrain or any other objects, I can do same things to different objects. In this case, if you for some reason, it's apply a little bit more than just create material, because in this case I'll just save material loaded, but if you have it more, maybe repositioning, sun, apply some stuff effect, you can do this way, preloaded your macro, maybe even saving, importing some more complex things you want to do, or maybe when you create model also you want to bake and save it, for example like these two, you want to group together, bake them, export, save. You can save this all as a macro automation, and after you use over and over. As example, I have some models that I do for the cornucopia, and many times I create my own macro when I need to add special comments, everything, how I want to export, save in a special place. So I do this, loaded the macro, run it, and it's make very fast, very easy to do this routine applications over and over. As well, with this macro, you can share with other people and let them see how your work done. For example, with some tutorials, we have the macro so people can download it and make it same effect on the materials or on the terrain and see how it will be done. This is one animations with side view. Another one also, if we go into automation, you have it beside the macros. You also have it Python scripts. So let's, as one, we'll go create again sphere. Okay, let's duplicate it, the sphere. So we have it multiple objects we can manipulate with. Okay, and next we can apply it. So we go automation, run Python script. You notice we have a lot of the Python script, so we can apply anything from animations, custom ecosystems, and all additional filters and other effects. So we'll go apply right here, and we need it when we select animations. It will running currently, so it's enabled map legend. Let's click OK. You notice it does run on a background, so even we applied maybe some effect you don't observe, but it is Python script kind of running. So let's go to automations. We'll go to display console so we can preview when it's running. Okay, we'll run Python script. Let's go to animations, bounce sphere, open. You can see the effect was done. And again, a couple things. Right here is our effect. We'll go to enable timeline. And with Python script, one interesting thing is because you notice it does not create it, but when we're recording, it's actually will affect this bouncing ball and other things. So Python script, some depending on who created, can affect you directly, so you can preview. Like in some ecosystem, as example, let me go in ecosystem, some orientations like floating, for example, they will go up and down a little bit. Some effects won't be visible till you start render animations or frame per frame. As example, right here, this floating, what has happened, it will allow the elements floating with little bit sinking in and out, create very realistic motions on the waves. But if you just perform like right here, it won't do anything because it cannot find water or other options for this. So Python, it's a little bit another ways, and it's a little bit more advanced. So I do, if you're interested, you can access the information from the Eon software about Python documentation, so you can look on this. I also have a couple other websites that I post on the resources on our resource page, where you can go check for the Python scripting. It's a little bit more complex, advanced, but overall what I want to show you, it's right here, how you can load it and execute it and just perform. Also, you notice right here you have it, your last 5 will be, currently it's only 3 we run, so you can repeat them over and over other objects. Okay, so this is kind of animations inside the Vue. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Geekatplay Studio.